Welcome back to MyCodeZone. In today's session, we are going to learn some content sectioning tags. HTML heading tags. These tags define headings in HTML document. These are present since HTML 1.0. These tags are developed for creating document outlines. There are 6 levels of heading tags are present in HTML. Where H1 is the highest or most important heading tag. Usually it is used for the title or main heading, and H6 is the lowest or least important heading tag. This is an example of HTML heading tag. Paragraph tag. It defines a block of text as a paragraph. It presents in early HTML versions. In an HTML document, tags should generally written in lowercase. While HTML is not a case sensitive, but using the lowercase is a best practice. This is an example for paragraph tag. Tags are always enclosed in angle brackets. In modern HTML, most browsers auto-close paragraph tag if you forget /p, but that's not best practice. Always you can include it for correct structure and validation. BR tag. It indicates the line break. It is used for breaking the long lines of text within a paragraph. It is available since HTML 2.0. HR tag. It refers to horizontal line. It is used for dividing the sections. It inserts a horizontal line to separate the content. Address tag. It defines the contact information and it is useful for indicating the author or company or contact details. Main tag defines the main content area of web page. It specifies the main content of the document. Keep supporting me for more videos. Thank you.